Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Monday, July 28th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you had a nice weekend. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the 3 daily habits that I do that keep my business growing no matter what. All right, but if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 19 years, and I've been working full-time for myself since 2018. And it's my true passion to help other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So the first of 3 habits that help keep my business growing no matter what is that you have to show up every day. I show up every day, no matter what, right? So that means that I'm doing, sometimes, well, it just means I show up every day, all right? It doesn't mean, it could mean that I'm making a video like this one. It could mean that I'm posting post on YouTube, my YouTube community, or my Facebook page. It could mean that I'm mailing out letters. It could mean that I am sending out an email to my email list. Sometimes I do all of those. Sometimes I do one of those. But either way, I'm doing something every single day to help my business grow. I'm showing up every day, even when I don't feel like it. All right, because there's days I feel like not making a video. There's days that I'm busy doing other things. Yesterday, I only made a post on Facebook and YouTube because I was doing other things. I decided that I was going to go and do some painting. Because for those of you who know me, you know that I like to do paint. I like to paint. So I worked on a couple of paintings. And I just kind of took a day away from marketing in the sense that I didn't create a video or a short or anything like that, but I still showed up and created a post. All right, I created a post about joining my newsletter. So it doesn't matter what you do. It just matters that you show up every day and do some income producing activity. Do something that will help your business grow in the long run. All right, and that's, for me, that's, a video, a post, an email, sending out letters in the mail, something. Just do something every single day that will help your business grow in the long run, okay? The second thing you want to do is you want to connect with people on a daily basis. So once you get going with this, you're going to have people reaching out to you with different questions about what it is that you do. Maybe it's about your opportunity, it's about a service that you offer, whatever it is, you're going to have people reaching out to you. You want to respond to them. You want to connect and respond to them, right? You want to provide first-class customer service all around the board. And if you have nobody reaching out to you on a particular day, you could reach out to somebody yourself, right? It's very easy to send a message on Facebook Messenger to somebody, letting them know that you have a way to generate some, side income, and ask them if they're willing to take a look at it. You could do that as part of your showing up every day. Send 10 messages out on Facebook every single day to people on your friends list. You can go into Facebook groups that are based around the make money online industry. Reach out to people that way. You're not spamming them with your link. You're simply asking them if they're interested in taking a look at an opportunity that you've come across. But you want to connect with people. You want to get at least 2 people to take your tour every single day, whatever it is. When I say tour, I mean you want them to be on your sales page. So if people are reaching out to you with questions, make sure you're getting back to them, right? Get back to them right away. If people aren't reaching out to you on a particular day, you go out and reach out to them. All right? You want 2 people to look at your page every single day at minimum, right? Because that compounds. So over the first month, you have 60 people looking at your sales page, right? The following month, you're going to have another 60 people. So then you have 120 people looking at your sales page. And it just compounds. And over time, some of those people will turn into sales for you. And the third thing you want to do is you want to improve one thing each day. You want to learn something new every day. So that could be, reading a book, listening to a podcast, watching a documentary. Learn something about the industry that you're in, or just in business in general. or read a personal development book. Do something that will help help you learn. Maybe rewrite your headlines if you're making your own sales page, or if you're sending out letters, you could tweak your letters. Do something that will improve not only your business, but your life, right? You want to become the best possible business entrepreneur that you can be. You want to have the right mindset. You want to learn everything that you can about whatever industry or niche that you're a part of. So for me, it's direct mail. So every day I try to read something. I enjoy reading books on business people, successful business people. That's one of my main things that I like to read. It's just the stories of other successful business people. Because then you learn exactly what they went through to get to where they are. And it's not just a walk in the park for them. A lot of them struggled. They went through hell to get to where they are. But hearing stories like that gives you the momentum you need to go and put into your business, which equates to motivation, right? And that's what you need. You want to show up every day to your business. So those are the 3 things that I recommend. You want to show up every day, you want to connect with people, and you want to, learn something new every day. Learn something new every single day. And those 3 things are going to help you grow your business no matter what. All right? They're going to help you grow your business no matter what. And you just have to know that small actionable steps, small steps taken every day. I like to do income producing steps. They will equal great results in the long run. Okay? And I can't guarantee you'll make any money if you join me in any of my programs, simply because it's based on your work ethic. Most people don't have a very good work ethic, but if you're willing to show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent, you will get results. It's almost impossible to not get results if you do those 3 things, okay? So if you have any questions about any of this, reach out to me. If you're looking for a new opportunity, or you want to join my newsletter, or book a phone call with me, join my coaching program, all of that is over here on joinruss.com, right? Joinruss.com. You can go and check it out, and I can help you stay consistent. So with that being said, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day.